Hi, Beth. We're making you a weird movie about the weirdest things we have in our purse today. What do you have in your purse, Levi?
The weirdest thing I have in my purse?
Found it yet?
No, I'm boring. I don't have anything weird in my purse.
Not cool.
Mineral water.
What do you use? Oh, spray in your face. Mineral water. Wait.
Mineral water is very important to your facial skin.
I didn't know that.
What's the weirdest thing you have in your purse, Alex?
Well, I think it'd have to be... No, not Kleenex. Everybody has Kleenex in their purse. Probably be in my wallet. I guess one of them would be this lovely Valentine from Angie last year. Hello Kitty. Pretty sweet.
Oh.
And then I have this lovely drawing from Justin. And this is Justin, and he's in a plane.
He's bombing a dog.
And he said he had a monocle. But he's crazy.
No snuck.
It's that awesome. And I have bus passes from last year. Because I'm cool like that. And what else? A Safeway Club card that has no money on it. I think that's about it. Oh,
Sweet.
Oh, wait, no pictures of Beth. Not here. Oh, wait, I lied. Look, it's you.
Aw, Beth.
And crazy picture of Alex at Youthquake. And lovely photo booth pictures. And that one. Hey, and look, there's Youthquake picture. And that's a crazy person. Yeah, I have crazy stuff in my purse. Hey, it's my birth certificate. No. Crazy stuff in my purse. Like Charlie the unicorn.
Charlie. What the hell? You keep your cards in a gum package?
Yeah, because I'm cool like that.
That's pretty sweet,
Yep.
Alex. That's pretty hardcore.
Because I'm hardcore and keep my cards in the gum package. I couldn't find my wallet, okay? It's not my
Your
fault.
wallet's right there.
No, at a certain time.
Oh, okay.
I couldn't find my wallet. I was very sad. I'm like, I can't find my wallet. I'm going to use this.
I thought the weirdest thing in your purse was the cranberry juice.
I just bought that.
Who has cranberry juice in their purse, Alex?
Who doesn't have cranberry juice in their purse, Levi? I mean, only cool people have cranberry juice.
Yeah. I
And junk. And hey, sunglasses from Justin. Aren't they awesome? Cooper almost took them and like wouldn't give them back. I was sad. I was like, give them back. They're my present from Justin.
know.
And
He was just jealous because he doesn't want you to like Justin.
hey, gum. Hey.
Is that an actual pack of actual gum?
It's an actual pack of actual gum. Like there's one piece left. You can have it if you want.
Aw, thanks, Alex. You know what's sad, Alex?
But
We don't have Beth in our purses. Beth,
come in my purse.
come be in our purses, Beth.
That's not odd at all. Come be in our purses. That's cool. Hey,
Oh, I have
chai
breast
tea.
cancer.
I have chai tea too.
I have some breast cancer in my
Why
purse.
do you have breast cancer in your purse, you crazy nut?
Shampoo,
And
spa-
deodorant.
Breast cancer. Breast cancer.
Chai tea. I think chai tea is pretty much the ultimate weird thing I have in my purse. Have you had chai tea, Beth? Go to a local Subway and get chai tea.
Get the iced one with the skim milk. Mmm, yummy.
I think this will be my tea for tomorrow morning. When Justin picks me up in his sexy car. His beat up sexy car.
Yes.
Hey look, it's passport papers. Passport papers Alex needs to fill out.
Alex, you and your passport papers.
Hey, I'm going maybe, that made no sense. Watch me fill out my passport papers, Beth, which you've already filled out before. And we pull these magical things out, and they're called papers. Okay, there's the instructions.
Okay, Beth, I'm pretty sure you don't care about this, so bye.